Hashtag YouTube News Script AI and Tech News. Good morning and welcome back to the channel. If you've been following the tech world closely, you know that major product announcements are getting further away, not closer. Today we're breaking down 3 stories that show just how the industry is shifting. So stick around as we dive into what's really happening behind the scenes at Apple, what's coming to India's tech scene, and an innovative new tool that's changing how voice AI works. Let's start with Apple, because if you're an Apple fan waiting for the next big thing, you might want to sit down for this one. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the Vision Pro 2 isn't coming to WWDC 2026 like many hoped. Instead, we're looking at 2028 at the earliest. Now, that's a pretty significant gap between the original Vision Pro and its successor. The company clearly wants to perfect the technology before showing it off again. This tells us something important about the state of spatial computing right now. Apple is being strategic. They're not rushing out an incremental update just to keep the headlines going. Whether that's good news or frustrating news really depends on how much you're invested in the Vision Pro ecosystem. Moving on to something completely different but equally important for the tech world. India is making some serious moves on the infrastructure front. In a major policy address, Kerala's governor outlined an ambitious plan to strengthen industrial infrastructure, accelerate investments, and create high-quality employment opportunities. This isn't just about one state either. This signals a broader push across India to compete on the global stage for tech investment and manufacturing. As companies look to diversify their supply chains away from places like China, India is positioning itself as a major player. We're talking about creating the kind of ecosystem that attracts big tech companies and startups alike. It's a long game, but it's one worth watching because it could reshape where technology gets built in the next decade. And finally, here's something that might not make headlines but absolutely should. A new platform called Plivo Mirror has released version 0.3.0, and it's doing something pretty remarkable. This is a self-correcting voice agent supervisor. What that means is that it can catch mistakes in real time during voice calls and actually fix them. It uses a 3-tier system combining deterministic logic, a classifier, and an LLM to validate what's happening. Think about what that means. We've had voice AI agents for a while now, but they mess up, they misunderstand, they get confused. Plivo Mirror is designed to catch those problems mid-conversation and correct course on the fly. That's a significant step forward in making voice AI actually reliable enough for business applications. These 3 stories paint an interesting picture. We've got Apple being more patient with innovation. We've got India aggressively pursuing tech investment and manufacturing. And we've got developers building smarter tools to make AI actually work better in real-world situations. That's where the real progress happens, not in the hype cycles, but in the details. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for daily AI updates.